Hello, y'all. Welcome back to the stream. We're doing something a little bit different today. I have opened up the editor for A Hat in Time, and I wanted to try making our own little level in it. Let me get the music started. Okay, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, which is why we have this handy little guide on the side, which I'm going to be following for the most part. But yeah, hopefully just a very chill stream today while I go through this. Let me know if the music is at a good volume. Oh, what was that? Oh, I think that was like an autosave or something. Yeah. Okay, already went through this, opened up the thing, started a new file. Let me see, the actual editor. Edit your directory, specify the name, blah blah blah. Editor may crash for a number of reasons, save frequency. Autosave provided toggleable at the very bottom right corner of the window. I should probably shrink this because the way it's... I guess I could just like do that. Nope. That just makes it all weird. Okay, I'll do that and kind of just try and shape it. Make it actually fit without covering up everything else completely. There we go. Package types autosave. I guess I'll leave it on. For now, at least. Yep. Unreal Engine. On screen, majority of tools we'll be using, and a lot of tools we may never use. Brushes and stuff, we're using predefined objects, so most will not be necessary. View part. Perspective, orthographic, yep. I do have some experience in Blender, so some of these concepts will be familiar to me. Key messages, yep. Frame lighting only. Okay. Side perspective. We don't really have anything in scene, so there's not really point in that yet. And above that is what we'll really be using. Selecting, rotating, translating, scaling. Mode favorite new. Undo, redo. Lighting. Don't worry about it yet. Just going to be skimming most of this. Move around by holding right click and using the WASD. Okay. And also left click works. Well, actually, this is. Yeah, that's different. Is it? Oh no, left click actually moves us. Shh. Okay, we're kind of pulling the camera in the direction that we're clicking with that option. Yeah, so this. Toggle is off the simplified by going under preferences. Okay, we want to do that. Simplified editor off. How do I get rid of this grid? I think I probably said earlier here, didn't it? Port is that. On the movement. Or not. Let's see. Okay, yeah, simplified is off. Why do you have the floor there? Everything. I mean, I guess this is a somewhat older version, so maybe it just isn't exactly the same. Content browser. Yep, right here. Hundreds of objects ranging from music materials to models and animations. Unreal Engine allows you to access and place these through an interface called the Content Browser. These ones are the subcon uses. Something else. Do specific ones. Animation sets. Labor animation. Materials. Particles, skeleton meshes. Ooh. There's the saw blades and everything else. Sound cues. That. Picture animates. How about an actual voice line?
Mierda! On my Owl Express!
How do I? Okay. How do I pause the sound cue? Seriously, how do I pause it? This one? Stop sound. There we go. Find package. Edit music queue. Create music tree. Copy. Can't copy. Reference objects. Underwater ambience. Bubble. Control the volume here. No. Okay, maybe. Hello, Sam. Good to see ya. Also, I happened to have OBS opened earlier when you did that little sneaky subscribe. Thank you very much. The old Unreal Engine. Yippee. Ooh, make a story. Okay. That was a reset that didn't go through before. Well, it went through now. Don't know why it didn't before. Okay, I could probably spend like an hour just clicking through these sound cues. Okay, moving on. Content browser. If you are to spawn a spring, it doesn't bounce you up. Scripted object known as actors. Coded to perform specific actions can be modified. No one wants any money from that country. Yeah, that's really sucks. I'm glad you're able to get around it though. I have no idea what these are. Let's select layers. And yeah, that's for when you're getting more complex. Template maps. May not have any template maps available. On restarting the editor, template maps will be visible. Click create new level up a button and it'll open 5 daytime options. Where do I find this? Level head in time. New level open. New. Okay, I think this is still my first time launching it, so let's relaunch it. Don't save any of that. Let's the editor again. Yeah, headphones. I'll be wearing them for the entire stream today, but I also added them as a channel point reward. You can spend your purr points to get them back at any time, or remove them. I also added a remove option for any accessories that I might have in the future. Okay, I clicked this, right? It's just taking a bit to load. Yeah, it's just taking a bit to load. $1K for the headphones. Does that seem reasonable? I'm not really sure what would work best. also have just the regular Hat Kids hat beside me. We can put that on if we want to. I do love have that kind of point. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I should remove any mods that I don't need since the editor is loading like everything that I've downloaded. I mean, it's not adding too much, but it piles up. Let's see, it looks like stream is still running smoothly. I should get something going for like this downtime where we're just waiting for stuff to load. Gotta think on that. Oh, there we go, it's done. Can't find all those. First time, just close that. And if I click new now, will it? Yes, it will. Okay, so it was a blank daytime that they had. Let's load that up. And maybe shrink this down. Where are you? Player start. Interesting. Play level. Take it from viewport, play on PC. If I play on viewport. Oh. I'm dead. Hey look, there's our ship. I think it's just, yeah, it's just part of the sky. Which, I guess that makes sense. Look up, look down. Gasp, there are two. Okay, let's look at a different one. Gameplay 1. Get you the hat later. Following not found. What are you? This is at Cube Map Properties. Oh, oops. I'm like selecting the sky. Where's the player controller? Let's play from here. No startup kismet. Play from here. Play level. What's the difference? If I just set play from here, oh, we're in the skybox again. Play from here in viewport. Maybe I just need a not. Nope. We are still in infinite sky. Okay. Although, ooh, you see like how this stuff is built. That I block properties. We have mesh, particles, sound, had-eye blockade, targets 3, which are the birds, that enemy, Mad Crow. Okay. This is interesting, just looking at it. Movement, physics display. You can make it bigger or smaller. Big. Big eye. Giant eye. No experience in game design. I have minimal experience in game design. And if I go to the crows, their properties, they have an AI, idle movement, they won't return to the original location, avoid ledges, can hear sounds from line of sight sources. Apparently the crows can hear. And don't possess. Tree upon will be possessed at game start. I wonder what the possess thing is. Stay dead until act reset. We have particles. Death sync for online party. And eye height and movement. Okay, let's keep going. Existing maps as a reference tool we can use. Yep. Let's get to the actual level building. Building with blocks. Static message. Using the content browser search function. Blue time roof blocks are dubbed with the secret, so we can find those objects using that search. Okay, let's blank map. Don't save those. And we'll head into the content browser. Search for secret, which will give us oh right, a lot of these are also going to be from the mods that we've downloaded. Here we go. Stuff. London secret memos. Here we go. Here's the actual ones. Okay. Found them. We can just drag and drop. Secret, what are these static meshes? So let's put that on check. And grab a simple block. Oh. There we go. We can move it. Just put it on basically the center. Good enough. We can translate, rotate, or scale. just regular click and rotation mode. Got it. Rotate. Oop. Okay, so if I do this, or not, is there like a properties area where I can like enter certain values? Physics advanced object movement. Can I change these? No. Display. Okay. Optimization, collision. I'm not going to be using those yet. Anchor point, pivot, transform. Can I lock anchor movement? Can I reset? Reset? Nope. That's not what I wanted to do. How do I make it back? I mean, I guess we could like manually kind of. Oh, I am rotating the wrong thing. Hold on. This block, rotate it to something or other. There's 0 on here. That's 0. That's 0, and there's 0. I don't think that worked. Well, when in doubt, just delete it. Undo. Actually, can I just select and yeah, there we go. Now let's delete this block too. What even is this? Brush properties. Yeah, what is this? Blank blocks. It's a brush. Just blank object. Let's put that back. And also, can I like control CD these? Not really. Hold on, we are in rotate mode. Maybe that's select. And I think I did something. Oh, there we go. Set up a series of blocks and stuff. Like the Control C did work. Yep, we're duplicating. Oh, okay, I can just double click instead of right click properties. Okay, that. Make it go up. Let's bring in one of these. And move it so that it's relatively aligned here. rotation. Do we have other shortcut keys here? Right click to type in rotation value. Oh. Okay, do that. Right click. I want this one. Okay. That is... No. What do you mean by right click? If I right click, it just opens this menu. Okay, nine. How do I use this control thingy? Oh, yeah, just turn it with the mouse. There you go. And here, really, where do we have any hotkey shortcuts? Would be nice if we did. Tools. Up into brush build view. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, we have that, we have a spinning thingy, or at least the block for it. And into another spinning thingy for when we actually learn how to spin them. Move you. Oh. The window opened in my other screen, which is why I didn't see it. Okay, so if I do this now, then right click, no, rotate, then right click. Wait, what opened that? I closed it. Do I need a... No? And now I'm just confused. Okay. Ignore it and move on. Figure it out later. Maybe. I'll put you right here, and maybe we'll do a bit of a diagonal rotation. Let's kind of make it circle around. Oh, oops. You know what? Whatever. I'll also do that. This way, down, up, and from here, looks like that. It'll roll further away and towards there. Yeah, that's totally fine. Yep. Can you make that? You can make that. Rotate. Where was I rotating? I don't remember. This was one of them. 0 is right here apparently. resets the 0 point, so a bit confusing. How do I reset its rotation? Okay. Let's see, after that, let's say have a bunch of blocks over there. We have one of those spinny things here. This is rotating, or it will be rotating. And then click onto the content browser so we're not moving the viewport. And then let's do a fun ramp. Do basically a 180 here. Move this down-ish, but not that far down. We'll just put another block over here. Nope. Over here. For the landing. Make it a bit far away, so maybe you can like slide off and jump. What other blocks do we have here? We have the gears. Those were fun. Yeah. We can use these to like gain some height if I rotate it like that. 90 degrees. Yep. And then move it sideways down. From here, let's just say it's right there. Oh gosh, the white on white makes it hard to see. Yeah, this is fine. I'll see. Duplicate that. Put a second one behind it and slightly higher. Maybe offset a little as well. Let's play with the scale mode. What does... oh. Okay, that's all of them. Can I individually select? Control? No. How do I like individually select a dimension? Okay, something to figure out later. That too big. I'll move that back and down again. Let's see. Let's get as close as we can without it intersecting. And sure, right there. Duplicate again. And I have a bit of glitching on those faces. And up. And let's put it back this way. Nice. And you want one more, except actually delete that. We'll duplicate this one because I think it's a different size. Rotate up this way. And somehow kind of align it with one of these. Actually also rotate you. It's easier. Like there. I'd say that's good enough. Again, very hard to see when everything is flat white. We'll back it off a little bit. And hopefully that doesn't look weird. You can always go back and fix it. What else do we have? Rectangle? Sure, let's get a rectangle in here. From this gear, go to this rectangle. And also an L block. We'll turn this around to which dimension am I using? The blue one. Turn around 180. Oh shoot, messed it up. Give me 180. There it is. And that's basically going this way. A little bit higher. They actually have to like jump for it. And there we go. Let's say that's it for the building blocks. Play an editor. Doing so will crash the editor. Doesn't know where to place the player, so it freaks out. We need to specify a player spawn. Okay. Place an actor called Hat Player Start. Actor class panel, content browser. Let's shrink this so I can actually see the tutorial still. Wait, what? Is the actor class pan? Oh, here it is, right here. I want a oh. Have a good work, Sam. Let's see. Hat player start. Just search it. Hat. Underscore player. Hat player start right here. There we go. Now select it, click, drag it on. Level. What you did was static meshes. have skipped a few levels. First, we need to put this. Can I just up this way, downish? Need to put you all the way over at our starting area. And right here-ish. That size. Right here. Looks like that works. Put it a little higher. Make sure you're actually on that block. Yep. Okay, did I skip anything earlier? Probably. We have the objects, min, rotate, scale. Okay, actually, never mind. It was just place everything. We clicked the rebuild paths button to build pathing. Which button is that? That one? Click the rebuild paths. Okay. And that is good. Now you can enter the level and play an editor. Is there? Go to actor, go to filter brush. Play. There we go. Hey. Nice. Oh, whoops. Ah, right. Let's just get out of that. Actually, can I use my controller here? I don't know how to play with the keyboard. I should probably figure that out. Oh, I can use it. Let's do a quick run through here. Now we're playing Hat in Time. Oh, these gears are a lot bigger than I thought they were. Yay. Okay. So that is that. What do I do now? Using this, you can easily create most of the level without any further help. Da da da. Spawn kid. We did that. Direction of the spawn object is marked by the 3D arrow made up of 5 lines. Here we go. So yeah, we are spawning facing that way. Placing timepieces. Go to add time object. Where is shrimp? That's the wrong one. Where'd our content thingy go? Content browser. Hello. Where is it? Build, add, view, browser windows. Here we go. Content browser. Where is it? Okay, apparently it's somewhere. I just don't know where I put it. I do that again. Where's my content browser? With this? Yep, there it is. It was in the random corner of my other monitor. Don't know how it got there. Okay. Now that we need actor classes. We need hat and time. Time object. We have cluster metro alps time rift. We want the time rift one. Drag it and drop. Gotta put it over here. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Just got a little bit of this. Missing chapter info. Or one of its three alternatives. What are the alternatives? Cluster. Oh, ha. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let me delete that. Or metro. Which, interesting. I guess because it does something different once you gather it. What about the Alps? Okay, so why is it showing for no map info? How do I solve this? Replace with, add actor. I don't know what to do about that, so we'll just continue. World settings can be found by going to View, World Properties, and let's see, View, World. Okay, we want to go depth of field. In TimeRix specifically, we have a lot of that. That is in rendering. Post-processing settings at the field. Ooh, lots of settings. Okay. Lots of things you can play with to get the right atmosphere. World info. Settings for the map. More importantly, you can change the music and various other level properties. Trade your map info. Simply click the blue drop down arrow and select Hat Map Info. Where? My map info. Which blue drop down? World info tab. Oh, right here. There we go. At map info. My map info. Music. For music trees, which handle to play music based on conditions from in-game objects. 2 ways to add music to the level. Select an existing sound cue to play the same song throughout the level. or use an existing music tree to cycle between songs. Another method would be to create a custom music tree, which we will cover later, as time with music is already provided in the game. Okay, well, selecting a sound cue. Or you can do this one. Guess we'll just do the first method for now, setting it as music trap to play in our level. Contact browser. We go music. We select an object in content browser. We want to select it. So go to sound cues. Widen that. Okay, sound cues. Get rid of the static message. And there's clock towers beneath the sea. Or we could do something else. Because for some reason I am often muted whenever this thing plays. Get like false copyright claim. Oh, hello Curtix, good to see ya. Well, for your animation is ready. Computer is broken. Oh no. Well, don't worry about it. I look forward to what you're making. Nice headphones, thank you. Did a quick little asset drawing for the request last time. Got some headphones, and I got a little hat over in the bottom if I feel like putting that on. Okay. We could do a different music cue. Remix. A lot of these are voices. If I search music, will that do? Oh, it will. Okay. I'm on the moon. Is that? Oh, yep. Stop sound. That was loud. Sorry. Out on the moon, low key. Transition, Alps final, attic, award ceremony. Let's do caught. Collapsing rift combined. Okay, let me turn down the volume prematurely. We can listen to some of these. There's the credits one. Should probably also pause this for a bit. That's nice. Cruise level. Make it cool down. Death wish, death jingle. Level intros, windmill. I listened to that for so long. Factory rift. Actually, let's search up a rift. Because there are some specific ones here. Rift scooter. Let me stop. And ambient golden orb overlay? Not sure. That's probably something modded, maybe.
Good luck. Mafia has opened entrance to next floor for
Good
you.
luck. Tour. The Twilight Travels is nice. Or Sleepy Raccoon. I like this one. Let's use this one. Can I not? Oh, right. Just select and then green arrow. There we go. Let's get our Spotify music back. And, okay, next. So that's one way. The other way was using the Time Rift music tree file onto the search function. Music tree and content browser. Time music tree. Maybe just music tree. Not sound cues. Okay. Here we go. Setting. So we go blue. Where is it? Time Rift. Time Rift Raccoon music tree. And probably use this, right? Down through search. Yep. Then in world info properties. Oh, okay. So we can either do the music itself or the entire tree. Got it. Player modifiers. Change how the player behaves within the level. 3 of these modifiers exist and are is spooky, forces the player to only be able to use top hat and dweller mask, which is Vanessa's manner. Time Rift. Pause menu says you're in a blue Time Rift. Or Treasure Hunt. Pause menu says you're in a purple Time Rift. Oh, welcome back, Sam. Hope you had a good lurk. Let's see. We want to be in just regular blue Time Rift for now. Player modifier. That is, we're still in the info properties, I think. Yeah, player. And then, here we go. Let's put blue Time Rift here. And that'll change what the pause menu says. Hat. Changing hats. I need to actually get... There we go. let me place that. A little bit more. There we go. How does it look? And thank you, Primmy, for the head pats. Let me select something that's not going to mess up the hotkey. Oh, I need to change that. The head pat is on a layer under the hat. Oh, you know what? How about we just do this? Head pat. Take off the hat. Put it back on. There we go. Good to see ya, good to see ya. We're just chilling today while I try to figure out how this thing works. And you're out. Let's I like just over here. Nope. Okay, we'll just move it to the side. I need to get another one and then have it be behind my avatar. That's one thing I don't really like about this. I can't change which layer it's on while it's in the view. Okay, let's go back to the level making. Visuals, post-processing. Let's see if that's shown here. It is outdoor wetness, rain, nighttime, player emits light, no rain and wetness, temperature, movement particle, none. Okay. Movement particle. Let me, if I play with this, let's see. We have some particles here. They're specific. Can I say you're like run particle cloud? The particles material. Volumetric rock. Dust particle mesh. And we can have that as just like the regular movement. I'm running a sweat. Let's do something. What if I just do a random one? Acid floor. Complete buzzsaws. Alert. Lightning. Anticipation. If I do this, put that there, and then press, actually, will it crash if I still, missing chapter act info? I'm kind of afraid to start it if we have errors here. Chapter act info. What does that mean? Thank you for the headpad and the hydrate strike. Good to see ya. I like art. This not quite art, but we are in the creative space today. Yes. And also thank you for the headpads and the hydrates. my hat back on. Gotta keep me hydrated. Wish your laptop could handle modding tools. If there are errors, it won't crash, probably. Oh, I just do like save current all. I have no idea. Oh, it's not like I'm losing much. We're only playing around. Let's play. Yay! Music is working. Oh, and we do have lightning particles coming out of us. It's a bit weird since it's only like the anticipation lightning. What does full lightning look like? Select that. Do that and play. It looks like we're getting constantly struck by lightning. Oh. Right. Here. Let's remove that. How do I remove this? That. Just like put none. There we go. Oh, hello. Chapter act info. There we go. Actually, what happens if I reach it right now without any chapter info? Will it just be like, you completed it and now we don't know what to do? Switch to the controller. Zap zap. You know, I probably should have made a shorter level. And again, this is already pretty short. Oh shoot. That counted? Oh. Okay. Or like half playing ahead in time, half just messing around. Let's see. What else is up here? Zone info. Zone info tab handles the height in which the player will be considered out of bounds and returned to the level. Ah, okay. We definitely want that then. Where is it? There it is. Kill Z. Inflicting damage as punishment. Kill Z. Kill damage type. None. Enable soft kill. I don't know what these means. We'll figure them out. Okay, kill Z. Let's put that at minus. We basically started our level at the 0 point, so maybe just 1000. Go to let me move that. The kill volume. You have no balls. Don't have any Pokeballs. Go buy some. Oh, no Pokebucks either. Welp. boxes that we have. Seriously, where am I? Where can I find the numeric values of where this thing is located? Properties. Does it say, let's see, object? No, that's just the object. Advanced physics. Static mesh anchor. Movement. Here we go. We are in Y 4,000. Okay, so yeah, around 1,000, maybe 2,000 should be fine in terms of the kill zone. How do I get back to the world stuff? Music. No, further up. World info. There we go. This is the world properties. Here we go. Close that. And go to, from world info, the zone info. And kill at -2,000. Okay, if we test it now. Nice. If we put guild damage type to none, then it won't damage us. Cool. Okay, let me this effect. Yes, it did. Okay. I changed the volume for this specific program on the computer. Let's turn it down a little more. There we go. I can still hear what's happening, and it's not going to overpower the music too much. Cool. No damage type suicidal. What does this one do? Pretty much the same thing, it seems. I'll change that back and then enable soft kill Z. Will it do the same thing as none? No, it doesn't. Okay. Put that to none, turn that off, because I have no idea what it does. And ooh, we can play with the gravity. No. Visuals. Change the background. Okay. Visuals. Here we go. Template to Alpine Skyline, Mafia Town Lava, Night, Spaceship, Tamariff Blue, Tamariff Purple. I like the spaceship. Oh, lighting needs to be rebuilt. Well, we'll rebuild it then. What is this? Build only selected, build only current level. Current only, preferably. because I don't know what else it's gonna do. Okay, it's opened up a separate thing, which is running. Did it stop? Can I close this? I think I can close that. Okay. Now can I play? Here we are. We're in space. Under the tail music. Yes, yes. Moving objects. How do I get the clock movements? Yes, yeah. Trait. Translate. Use the gear. Static mesh, never going to move in its current state, so we convert it into a mover. I need to stop right-clicking everything. Let's go down to the first thing that I wanted to move. Also move this over there. And select. We want to convert it into a mover. So right there. Okay. Convert from mover, enter removes collision. Fix it by giving it back the collision. So go here, look at its properties. Collision. And lock all? Yeah, lock all collision. Right clicking. Oh no. Yep, I'm right clicking. Now to get it to move. Using the Kismet via a Matinee. Matinee acts as animation timeline using keyframes to okay, so let me enlarge this. Search. What? This thing. No. The other thing? What am I looking at? Set up the following in the Kismet editor. How do I get there? Tools. No. Open Unreal Kismet. Open Unreal Manatee. Ah, here it is. Okay. I think this is it. Looks the same. Okay, we want to search. And from this search, we want to find something. What am I looking for? matinee. Level loaded. And, no. Repeats. Do I need to load it in? No. Do I need to go here and then open it? Somehow? Okay, this is selected. What about this? No Unreal Matinee sequences exist yet. Open Unreal, right-click on Canvas and select New. Okay. Oh, okay. We want a new one of this. Okay. Condition variable event. Do I need to have that other bit? Because from here, we also have a level loaded bit. Loaded and visible at beginning of level. Condition. Chapter. Okay, this is probably a condition. Contract volume ink. Level has level bit. Is visible. Maybe. System. Level. Don't want that. Oh, what was the other one? Save data, switch system. Is visible. What is this? How do I get that? Has all timepieces, has is act unlocked. On that, comparison, counter, editor, checkpoint. Yeah, it's not a sequence objects. Oh wait, yes I can. Just search it up. There we go. It's level loaded. Level is visible. We want the animation to play. Nodes. Okay. Then from there, that is created automatically. Okay, make our movement loop. Select the matinee. Go to the properties. Take looping. Select which one. Set act. Okay, so this one. Set act interp loop. And set on rewind. And then that's it. So double left click on the Matinee, which will open up the editor right here. And from there, we want to right click in the dark gray area of the left window to create a new, oops, wrong window. Let's enlarge that a little. Okay, so right in here, right click, add an empty group while mover is selected. Mover is selected below all of these windows that we have open. Yep, we have the rotate platform. So new group. Let's see. Spinner. And then okay, group created, actual timeline, right click the movement track to create a new timeline. New time, where? What do we want me to click? Right click the new empty group. Okay. Add movement track, movement. And nope. Anim control track maybe. They might have changed it. Oh, here we go. Movement track. There we go. Right click on movement track, click split translation and rotation. This one, which will allow us to change the axes individually. Okay. Add a new keyframe. Okay, we're going to need to start oh, okay. That's why I minimized it so it automatically went there. Okay. Good to know. Let's actually just put it down here so I know where it is. And this can go here. Okay. And then in our viewport here, we can have a visual on it. Okay. So first of all, create new keyframe. Okay. Select the rotation. We can also do that. Control the size of it. New keyframe done. Select rotation we want to change. We want to change the Z-axis rotation, I think. And then fine tune it. place our cursor on where we want it to be. So like right here. What do I... No? I'll select C and then click? No. On the node, right click it, select what we want to change. Interpret mode. Did I do this right? Or did I do this wrong? Let me take a look at this diagram. Okay. That's a movement. That's the first keyframe. Timeline. Oh, we want the timeline cursor, not my cursor. Okay. Yeah, we can move that. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's say in 5 seconds we have another keyframe. Curve, interpolate, linear. Close that. And I want to just get the basic spin movement. So how do I make a new one? New keyframe. On the node. What do you mean by node? I am missing some vocabulary here. Tension, active condition. This. Okay, this. And then I add one. There we go. Yes. Okay, so we basically need to click this as like a checkbox. Is it the Z-axis that I want to move? I think we want to actually do the rotation and then add the keyframe. So I want to select this specifically. I can. Depth value to 90. Or no, 360. Okay. And if I play it, there we go. It doesn't spin. It's also starting and slowing down, so we can fix that with the interrupt mode. We want it linear or constant, maybe. Will happen at the same time throughout. Yeah, basically the same thing as constant. Stop that. Select this. That at linear as well. Now if I play that, it'll spin, but it pauses. Linear auto. Let's see. Accelerating, decelerating. Yeah, I don't want it to curve at all. x-axis. And, also move it to there. Once it's done, set value to 360. Enter mode to linear. Change the node at 0 seconds to be linear. I did do that. Right? Linear. And play. It's still stopping. Did I not? Linear. Both of them are linear. How do I? It should be this, but it is not that. So what am I doing wrong? Linear. There we go. I want all of this to be linear. How does it work? Yes, it does. Okay. I don't know why it wasn't applying if I just clicked the nodes, but... Okay, I selected up here, I turned it into linear using these settings. And it's working now. Also, that's a pretty fast platform. Let's see here. Stop that. Play it directly. Must close unknown enemy. Do I need it right now? Kind of. I do have other things that I wanted to spin. So let's create. Actually, we need to select first. We have this thing, which I want to select. New empty group. And what do I call this? What is it called in the content browser? Let's see. It is a spike box. So let's create new. I still have it selected. Spike spin. And from there, we forget how to use this. What do I do? New group, name it, and right click movement track, create a new timeline, make sure we've selected that, maybe, no, here, no. I can rename the... Oh. It's... Read folder. Yeah. I don't want a folder, I want a new empty group. And then... create a movement track from there. Movement... Early... No, we want to convert this into a mover, except we can't while this is still open. Okay, let's finish that. close the Unreal Humanity, I think. Do I need to save? No. If I just exit out, should be fine. Let's do a quick test. Oh. It is moving. It is moving fast. Nice. Okay, that's good. Now, is there anything else to this? No, okay. So I want to repeat the process here of just convert to mover. Proceed. Turn this into a properties. We want to give it collision. Done. And also, really quick, do the same thing with all of these. Collision. Block all. Okay. Convert to collision. Lock. And the one in the back. Convert. Give it collision. And then same with this last gear. Convert to mover. Collision type. Lock. There we go. Hello, Shade Sable. Good to see ya. How are you doing? Thank you. I thought it was rather appropriate for today. Let's see. Okay. We've given everything collision, so now we open the Kismet, we open the Unreal Net. There we go. We add a new empty group, put it as bike spin because that's the one we want to work on, and actually go back and select it just to be sure. There we go. Bike spin. Give it a movement track. Scroll down so we can actually see. And then from there, give it keyframes. Oh wait, hold on. Go back. Where's the undo? Is there an undo? Undo add key. Yes. Undo new track. Okay. Redo the new movement track. Remember to split the translation and rotation. Scroll down. Make sure this is all the way over here. that. Add a new keyframe. Specifically on which rotation are we looking at? Oh gosh, I really messed with this one, huh? Oh no. Go back, reset. Well, we could do that. I think it needs to be a combination if I wanted to like spin in. Yeah, I put this at a funky angle, so let's go over here. Create some keyframes in the rotation department. Constant linear keyframes. And then change those keyframes values, maybe. I don't even know what this one is. Okay, I think it's mainly the green and the red that we want to play with here. Maybe. Oh shoot. It's all of them. It is all of them. Have I made a full circle yet? I have no idea. And give me some new keyframes. Nope. That is a mess. It's only moved like one face, and also it like snaps back. No, we just undo all of that and focus on something less confusing. We'll get back to that eventually. Let's do the gears. New empty group. Gear 1. That is going to motion. Split these. Which one am I rotating? Let's see, we want the green, so I think the X, Y, this is the Y axis. Oh shoot. Maybe. Let's see. Fit here. Add a new frame. No active track selected. This one. the value of this to be 360. Oh, nope, that is the wrong axis. What is that? Okay, set the value of this back to 0. Try a different one. Is it the x-axis? Let's set that to the 360. Also no. Oh, I guess when it's regular, when it spawns in, it would be the z-axis. Huh, interesting. Okay. And maybe it's also just the z-axis for the spiky spinning one. Put that back to 0. Go to the z-axis, add a new keyframe. We want that as 360. And that'll spin it on the object's z-axis and not relative to where it's placed in the world. Yeah. Good to know, good to know. Okay, let's add another one. Here. 2. Gotta go. Had a nice look. Alrighty then. Have a good one. Hope one day I'll release a banger mod. If I do, it won't be anytime soon. But yeah, thank you for being here. Okay. Movement track. Split. Keyframe on the Z. And make sure there's also a keyframe on the other side of the Z. Select this, set it to 360, reset the timeline, play. Okay. Looks good. And then same settings on here. Though, yeah, okay. That'll be fine. I think if I rotate it, maybe if I rotate it in the viewport, it'll still work. This is just the movement, so something to test, something to test. Let's make another empty group. Name it Gear 3. Add a movement track. Split rotation. Give us a Z-axis keyframe on both ends. And set it to a full spin. Yes. And then last one, your empty group, gear numero 4. Set to move. set the move to only the z-axis. Rotation, no frame, frame, and 360, no scope. That didn't. Why didn't that? This is gear 4. This value is 0. This value is also 0. I guess I didn't click OK. There we go, now it's spinning. It is spinning the wrong way. Okay, set value to negative 360 so that it spins with the other gears. There we go. And you know what? Let's change this middle one. We'll also spin in an opposite direction. Set this value to negative 360. And also at a slower speed. So let's say it's twice as slow. That's 360 times 2. 6, 7, 20. I think. Okay, it looks good. Now, let's go back to you and make a new empty group. Spiky spin beam. Give it a movement track. Lift those and figure out which one we need. No, okay. I want the rotation 2 frames. So let's go with let's try Y first. Put the value 360. And is this one different? No, maybe it is because it's on an angle. It's weird. Back to 0. If I change the x-axis, oh, thank you very much for the hydrate shade. Okay, that was set. Oh, there it is. It's the x-axis that we needed. And let's put that to a time value. Actually, what if set time? Time 5. If I do the time, say 2. Oh, okay. The time is the keyframe timeline. In that case, what if I set it to 2? Or have it set it to like 6, 8? Will the other one stop? It's only going as far as 5. Extend that. Yeah. Okay, well, I've set it to 3, something shorter. I select play now. Will it loop? No, it'll just stop there. Okay. The time to 5. I want this to be there. How is the speed looking actually? I mean, it's not that bad. Let's test it out. Do I need to close this? Oh, we'll close it by an editor. That'll be moving. Oh, that gear is very fast over there. I should slow down that spinny. This one's totally fine. These are way too big. And also that's way too fast. Okay. Let's get out the actually let's edit this first. Scale mode. I want to shrink this a little bit smaller, as well as this one. And this one. You can still use it to like climb though. Up here. Go on the side. Enlarge that a little bit. There. Kind of like that. And I wonder if I duplicate the animation settings, will copy over. Hopefully, right? That's fine. Let's duplicate this one. And we'll see if the settings copy over. Scale. Nope, let's rotate. Scale. And also nope. Move it to here-ish. we'll keep that block there. And okay. So this one I wanted to change the speed of. Oops. This is gear 1. We duplicated one for a test. This is gear 2. And some movement here. Select that. Set the value. We want it to be this is moving twice the speed. Well, let's just put it back to the regular amount of here. And okay, we play that. I thought I got rid of the lose life on fall. Oh gosh. Oh. Something messed up there. The camera snapped weirdly. Okay, that was just me being an idiot. Wonder what happens if I die here. Probably just respawn, right? Okay, I think I need to actually place a respawn. Checkpoints. Section building blocks. I do not know. Oh yeah, player start points. Are we not able to? No, not set it to just respawn. What are properties? Common, rare, miscellaneous, player start, enabled, navigation, vehicle, movement, display, attachment, optimization, bug, display, another world info maybe. Yeah, I thought I set the damage type to none. Weird. That'll have to be something for later then. How does it just look? Does it look too fast from what I can see here? It's okay. That gear's clearly larger than the others. It looks like the copy paste did not copy off the animation settings. Good to know. Okay. In that case, let's change this up a bit. Delete that. duplicate this. You can make it up there. I want to scale the second one a bit. Make it a bit larger. And move that in between these. Okay. Maybe a little bit over here as well. Just there we go. So checkpoints. Let's put a checkpoint, say right here. Checkpoints are made up of two actors, checkpoint volume and a player start anchor, or actor. Start when you set up both in the editor. I have forgotten how to make a player start. Oh, actor classes, here we go. Player start right here. I'll put it there. And we want to checkpoint volume. Create a new brush from the tools. One cube. We like to select brush. No, that back. E for brush. Cube. Create that. Place it. Yeah. No. Does it automatically place it? Oh. Okay, yeah, I think it did. This is a stair. Can I delete that? How do I delete this? Cut. No? How do I subtract? Volume, select. So I'll build a brush. What am I doing? No. Brush. Subtract. This. I subtract this. There we go. Now I think we left a block in here somewhere. Or not. Nope. The stair is still here. How do I delete you? Subtract this. I don't want this. Please RPG subtract. Oh, wait, no, it's still there. What? Can I like delete these? Transform. Play from here. Visible. Cut. Copy paste. Polygon select. What none? I just want to get rid of it. Did that work? Oh, I think that worked. Okay. Ta-da. So, brush. Where? What are you doing? You go to the brush cube. It appears, or we place it there. Checkpoint volume. Okay. Put it here. No. Here. Do I need to drag it in? Build. Build a cube. Cancel. I don't know how to use this. Now like double click it. No. What do I do with this? I'm confused. How did I put a staircase down? Okay, edit. No. Brush, add. PSG, add volume. No. Select N cube. Yeah, no, they just click it and then it appears. Okay. Yep, go down there, click the cube. You placed it somehow. Let's see. Content. I am trying to figure out how to place a cube. Mesh paint, landscape, camera, geometry. No. Maybe make a checkpoint volume. We must first create a new brush. Press V to toggle brush visibility from your tools menu. If I go tools and then our brush is visible. If I just press V, is that changing anything? Not really. What about that? No? What do you want from me? Let's see. That back. cone, circle, sphere, what the tetrahedron, a sphere. Clicky clicky the cube. Hello, tessellated group name. Do I just build? No? Cancel. I don't get what it wants me to do. Selection mode. Add a cube. Can I like right click then add actor, add recent, add cube map? Does that do anything? Should I undo that? I want to try and undo that. Add brush now. Oh, whoops. Eep. 2 point select. I get out of the actor. There we go. Just slowly make our way back. And also make the screen not yellow. What do you want from me, editor? I was like accidentally placing objects. How do I place it on purpose? Volumes, add volume, no. We want the brush. I like click anywhere, it just selects stuff. If I right click, it doesn't do anything. Oh, wait, what? I did a thing. I just pressed B like twice. Okay, we have a cube. Can I place another one? No, it wasn't that. I need to select something and then. Now we're toggling the visibility. How did that place? I am so confused. Okay, well, we have a cube now. How do I make another one? It's gone. And toggling the visibility doesn't. Oh. Wait a second. Wait, what? No. I have no idea what is. Okay, just accept it and move on. He has a cube. What does this cube do? I don't know. We're going to make it do something. Spent like half an hour trying to figure out how to place a cube. And I still don't know. Okay, checkpoint. Position, scale as needed. To the volumes tool menu. And also maybe scale it. And place it like here-ish. Yep, close enough. With the volumes, we have it selected. Go hat, checkpoint volume, hat game content, checkpoint volume. Okay. We'll see a purple outline where the brush used to be. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the brushes aren't actually like physical things until you make them physical things. Okay. Yeah. Adjust the settings volume so they work with each other. Let's make sure this is facing the right way. The arrow is there, so let's turn the rotate and make it 90 degrees this way. Yep, that's good. And make sure it's placed right there. Okay. Change our player spawn, right click it, go to Hat Player Start Properties, open the Properties window. Okay, player spawn, right click. We have the properties now. And we want to go to Common, Checkpoint. Set to whatever checkpoint you are on. Checkpoint 0, 1. Put it as checkpoint 1. Player start. We do not want it as the primary start. And hat volume. We want the volume to be ID is 1. Okay? Same as the player spawn. Nice, okay. And that should be working now. And let's see, is there any other properties we can use here? Elements, attachments, checkpoint ID, abstract info. There. So I think I want to make another checkpoint here. Return to brushes. Brush cube. There we go. So press B, click the cube. Select the cube, bring it up, scale, and also right click, properties, volume, add to a checkpoint, and then turn off brush mode so that we can select it. I wanted this one's ID to be 0, and also this player controller. It will be checkpoint 0. Maybe I should keep it as -1 actually. Nah, I already changed it. And hopefully that'll respawn me if I die. Let's do another quick play. Lighting needs to be rebuilt, path needs to be rebuilt. Okay, we'll do those first then. Path rebuilding, check. Lighting rebuilding. Go. Do nothing. Loading. And done. Okay. Play in the editor. Oh. Play. Play level. Play from here. Okay, okay, so that's why I was getting thrown into the void. I think it thinks we've hit the checkpoint. How do I reset that? Testing your levels, had in time, current checkpoint. Here we go. Checkpoint, no checkpoint. And there we go. So if we play now, it'll start a set spawn. Nice. And if I die, which still don't know why it's taking heart. But good. Means I can test this. It's gonna respawn. Nope. Okay. That must be a different thing then. Ash. Really shouldn't have made this so fast. Oh, okay. And also that, oh gosh, the weird angle. It's, yeah. Okay, it's because of how that thing's walls work. It's making you think that it's different. Checkpoint. Now if I fall over here. Oh gosh. This feels like windmill levels. It just beep. Yep, we're up. Now where is it gonna throw me? Nowhere, because there's nothing else to load. Good. And with that, I believe we're basically out of time, but I guess we might as well try doing this, right? Checkpoint's done. Build. Geometry. Production. Light mass. Build a large level. Light mass volume. We should probably do that, right? Let's do SB, this cube, scale it up. Oh. We have a cube here. Yeah. Scale. Oh, wait. Yeah. I have the player controller selected. Okay, do not scale that. Select. Where is... Come on. Select this thing. Select. Now. This. Cube. Please. This is, there we go. Okay. So we want this, I want to put it over here. We want to scale it all up so that it's encompassing the level. Maybe scale it down. Okay, that's most of it. Could move it a little bit. Let's move it a little bit. And that should be everything. Yep. Oh, it's okay, maybe it needs to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, it definitely needs to be a little bit bigger. That's barely over there. And that's no longer overlapping that. Good. Okay. So we make that. It is selected. We turn it into a, what do I need a light mass importance? Where is that? Okay, oh, it's light mass. Light mass importance volume. Done. Cube maps. I don't think we need that. Or maybe plaster onto a specific material. The plaster created by an actor called Cube Map. We just need to place it in the level. Okay, then I guess we do need that. Where is tools, fill, brush, view, browser windows, content. We want cube map. There's one actor classes. Cube map. There we go. Just place that anywhere. We're good? Yep. Where to place it? Here? Yep. I'll just put that under there. Right click it, update cube map. Building cube map. Status is waiting. Progress is done. Okay. Culling volumes. Honestly, we don't really need it here. Okay. Since this is a tiny level. Looking and publishing. Set to no checkpoint. And yeah. Oh, let's just do this last bit. Yeah, could be. Allowed all of that. Compiler. Create a folder named maps. Where do you want me to do that? Time rift. Changes. Okay, and the actual this thing. What do we do here? Folder content packages. Create a folder named maps. Ow. Browse mocked. Should I probably build, right? You can build geometry testing. Okay, so we want build all. I'm gonna do this first before do the other thing. Do the cooking. Okay, I think that's done. Yep, that's done. So now we've already placed that stuff. Don't need that. File hierarchy. Maps folder. can't, like, interact with that. So browse mod, I guess. And then actually use, like, the file, create a new folder. Call it maps. Mod folder, create a folder named map, insert your map into that folder. So like put the mod info in there. New map. What does that mean? Show it under the content tab. Like that? No. Not sure what it wants here. Content packages. Oh, whoops. That's the editor again. Uh-oh. I think I accidentally clicked to open the editor again. Can I, like, cancel that? Yeah, I'll just close it. Okay, browse mod, no, save changes. Oh, okay, save changes. That's what I needed. And then if I put that there, save changes. Okay, I was not supposed to put that there. Let's get rid of that. Save changes. Okay. We have maps. I don't know what it means by insert the map into the folder, because I don't have a map. Do I just save as? Save. Put into new map. Export. Export maybe. Cooking the mod. Save current level. Save it where? Don't. Map files to okay, hat in time. Let me copy the address of that. Paste it. Can't find what there. No. These mods. No. Shoot. What do you want from me, game? Or not game, program thing. It's because it doesn't actually exist. Oh wait, nope, there it is. Must have copied it wrong. Files, save as, I don't know. There we go. Save that. Does that count? View map. Save changes. Ah, there it is. Yay. Oh. Oops. Yeah, let's save. There we go. Okay, so I had to save it, put it into the new maps folder that we made, and then put it into there. So this is the thing we just saved. We created the maps folder, and from there it was save changes, and now it appears. Next is hierarchy done. Contains map. It has a time rift, I guess. And that's it. Contains map, contains time rift. I save that. There we go. That makes it so that it saves as time rift. And I should be able to click cook mod somewhere right here. Cooking mod will prompt command prompt. Da, 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 da. Test mod. Okay. So cook mod. That'll do that. We have opened up the command prompt. Executing class Unreal cook packages command. And is it going to continue? I can't move this anymore. Yep. Got all this going on. Cooking lighting, cooking character, lore engine, game framework, all that stuff. And after that, we want to test. Test the mod, make sure it behaves in game. So just wait for it to finish. It's gonna be like, we can't do any rare sticker stuff. There is no rare stickers. Oh. And I think it's done. Maybe. Can I like bring this back to the front? Oh, still going. Okay, it's still going. It's there. It says success. Can I close this now then? Maybe not. It's like it hasn't changed on this window, so I'm kind of afraid to click anything. Let's close that. Okay. Now we can test from first map test. That is going to actually pop up the Hat in Time loading screen. It's probably going to take a minute or two while it loads up all of the other mods that we will not actually be encountering. Oh, never mind. It only loaded Vanessa's Curse. Neat. Camera is gonna go wonky while I attempt to climb that. Well, at least we didn't die. Nice. And is this actually going to throw us to the title screen? It's loading something. Oh, I should have tested the death, because maybe it just couldn't respawn us. Oh, yep. Quick, exit the game. We're doing our not Hat in Time. Maybe I should put it as Hat in Time next time. Maybe not though. Most of the time is spent in the editor. Okay. That's it. I actually had a lot of fun. This is my first attempt at creating a Hat in Time level, and I'd say it went pretty well, with the exception of that time I got stuck for like 20 minutes trying to place a cube. A fake cube even. It's not a physical cube. Okay, let me pull that over there. Switch over to our ending scene. There we go. We'll exit the editor. And save that. And yeah. I had a nice time hanging out today. And I hope y'all enjoyed as well. Thank you very much for anyone who was lurking, anyone who stopped by, said hi, supported the stream. Just thank you for being here. Have a good night. let's raid. Simon's doing some arty game. Yep. Okie dokie. I bid everyone a good night, morning, evening, afternoon, daytime, whenever, wherever you are. Thank you all very much for coming and just watching me mess around. And yeah, I hope y'all have a good day, night, take care, have a good one, and hopefully I'll see y'all next time. Raid is ready, so yeah, bye bye.